Egg dal tadka is a popular street food. It is packed with proteins and so delicious. Take a cup of moong beans and soak them overnight. These beans are high in fiber and easily digestible, which is why I cook this dal so often. Next morning, in a pressure cooker or in instant pot, take the beans along with minimum amount of water and cook. Cook it just for a whistle so that they can hold the shape and are a little crunchy. Add salt and turmeric and cook. The ingredients of this dal is very common and mostly found in every kitchen. Omit eggs if you wish to, and it tastes just as good. In a pan, add oil or ghee. Add onions and stir. Add the chopped garlic, chopped ginger, some green chillies and cook lightly. Addition of green chillies is as per taste. Add the chopped tomatoes and keep stirring till lightly cooked. Add basic spices like salt, turmeric, chili powder and coriander and mix everything together. At this point, you may add a little water if the spices burn. Add the cooked moong beans and stir to incorporate everything. Add the dried methi leaves, garam masala and roasted cumin powder. These spices are optional, but this gives a lovely texture and flavor to the dal. Add some water and cook at low heat. I like this dal a little thick, but you could add more water if needed. In another bowl, crack eggs and add some water. You could also add some salt if needed. In a pan, take oil or ghee and add the prepared egg mixture. Cook the egg mixture at low heat till everything is incorporated and cooked. Work on low heat and allow the eggs to cook lightly, but not so brown. Here you can see how the eggs are looking light and golden. Now you can add this egg mixture into the dal. Add the cooked egg mixture and keep simmering. Add some water if needed. Now the dal is ready to be served. To make it more delicious, I have topped it with some ghee, some crushed garlic and some chili powder, but this is optional. Although I will not recommend you to skip this step. Enjoy it with your roti, some shredded onions, a lemon and some green chilies.